Hello everyone and welcome back to day 4 of your 7-day spring challenge. So today I have a little bit of an upper body sequence for you. So this can be intense, but luckily it is quite modifiable. So I will give you some cues, modifications if needs be. Right, so what we're gonna do is start in a nice seated position, bring those arms out in front of you, and again, like I love to begin many classes, start in child's pose. So bring those arms out, try and find already a gentle little stretch here in the shoulders. So to do that, tuck the ribs in, try and bring that head between the shoulders, press into the mat with the palms, and gently kind of bring the shoulder blades onto your back, the elbows pointing down towards the mat. From here, take some deep breaths, pull backwards a little bit here with the body, find that little stretch. Good, one more breath. Then walk those hands back in. Inhale, reach them up. And a few little palm touches here, so lowering them down. On an exhale, inhale to lift. Good. One more. Then reach all the way up. Reach, 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 reach. And grab onto both elbows. Take the elbows over to one side here. Or try and shift them towards the left. Inhale back to the middle and exhale other side. Good. Inhale back to the middle. Release those hands down to the mat. And come forwards in to that extended child's pose again. And then from here, we're going to dive between the hands, kind of coming up first, lowering down, keeping that core engaged, placing the chin, the chest. Your inhale, slide forwards, lift those, or bring the hips down. You may have to adjust slightly to get yourself onto the mat. Lift the chest, deep breath. Baby Cobra. Exhale, bring your hips up and back. Return to that extended child's pose. Then from here, again, inhale upwards. Kind of engage your core here, dive down between the hands. Chin comes down, chest comes down. Inhale to Cobra. Baby Cobra this time. Exhale, child's pose, last one, here we go. Inhale, round forwards. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale down, good job. Bring those hands a little bit closer to the chest. Find that comfortable position for you to enter a little bit higher of a Cobra. And we're gonna begin to warm the back up. So round first in that thoracic spine slightly, press into the hands. Inhale, lift, lift, lift. Bring that chest forward. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Bring those hands a little bit wider. Inhale, lift for the third. You can keep those palms on the mat if you'd like, or come up onto the fingertips. Exhale, lower. Good. From here, bring those arms behind you. We're going to come into an active Cobra here, so you can bring the palms first to begin facing down. Then engage your back muscles. Lift, lift, lift. Bring that chest as high as you can. Exhale, lower. One more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Nice. Bring those hands back next to the chest. Keep those elbows tucked in. From here, we're going to add a push-up. So to push up, you can keep those knees on the mat, but what we're trying to do is keep that retention, keep that tension by tucking the ribs in throughout that torso. So again, engage everything here, keep it tight. Try not to let one body part rise higher than the other. Here we go. Inhale, exhale, press yourself up to plank. Good job. Exhale, downward dog. Deep breath. Good, here we go. We're gonna add some vinyasa flows now. So you can always modify, bring those knees down, whatever you need to do. To begin, inhale, roll forwards to your plank. Exhale, knees come down, lower forwards and down. Inhale all the way down, lift to Cobra, or inhale to that upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Good, 2 more. Inhale, round to plank. Exhale, knees down, or if you feel confident in your chaturanga without the knees, inhale, lift. Exhale, down dog. Deep breath. Take your time. Good, inhale, roll forwards. Last one, lower forwards and down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, downward dog. Good job. Deep breath. From here, inhale to plank. Bring those knees down to the mat if you'd like for another push-up. We're gonna do another one, so make sure you modify. Or lower all the way down. Inhale, and exhale, press back up. Good job. From here, right hand comes into the middle. If you're getting tired at all, you can always bring that bottom leg down. Come into your side plank, left arm reaches up. From your exhale, left hand kind of scoops downwards, lift it back up, inhale. Exhale, lower. Engage the core, inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Engage the core, inhale, lift. 2 more. Good, hold, hold, hold. Bring that left foot in front of the right. Modification, right leg comes down, and then we're gonna step the left foot up into like a lunge position. Or, if you feel confident enough, side plank, shift on the foot as you step the left foot forwards. Good, inhale, lift the chest. From here, press into the feet. Inhale, lift, reach the arms up. Exhale, crescent lunge. Oof, inhaling my hair here. God. On the exhale, hands come down. Just out to the sides here in a T position, and then add some backs and forths. Working those arms. Whew. Good, inhale, reach the palms up. Exhale, right knee comes down to the mat, low lunge. Exhale, open the arms, cactus. Or inhale, open the arms, cactus. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, cactus again. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, cactus again. Inhale, reach up, 1 more. Exhale, cactus. This time, press them as wide as you can. Bring those shoulder blades together onto your back. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, hands come down. Step it right back to your down dog. Deep breath. Good job. Strengthening that upper body. You can take a child's pose here if you'd like. We'll be here for about 2 more deep breaths. Good, inhale, roll it forwards. Come back to that plank, take your time to get here. We're gonna add 1 more push-up, so bring those knees down if you need to. But on your inhale, get nice and strong. Exhale, lower. Inhale here, exhale, press back up, good job. This time, left arm comes to the middle. Stack onto those feet. And inhale, arm reaches up. Exhale, right arm comes down. Inhale, arm reaches. Two more. Good. From here, either that lower knee comes down or pivot and step. On the inhale, reach up, come into your lunge, take your time. Exhale, hands come down to the sides, add a few more waves. Good, one more. Arms reach up, you got this. Left knee comes down. And exhale, open the arms, or inhale. Ooh, windy, it's so nice. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, open the cactus. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, open. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, open. Inhale, reach up. This time, hold them as wide as you can. Bring those shoulder blades together. You use your muscles, engage. Good, inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands come down. Step it right back to that downward dog. Deep breath. Take that child's pose if you need it. Good, bring those knees to the mat. This time, we're gonna sink back on top of the legs here. Deep breath, let those shoulder blades rest down for a second. Then from here, bring the left arm across your body, hook it underneath, or use the right arm to hook under that left arm and pull it down so the shoulder blade rolls down your back. Find that stretch across that arm. Good. Other side. This time left arm under the right. Peel that right shoulder blade down. Hopefully I'm not hurting the mic here. Inhale back to the middle. Take one deep breath here. Roll those shoulders out just a little bit more. Good, then scoot over onto your glutes. Bring that right leg forward. Left leg comes over the right leg. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, right arm on the outside of the left thigh or the left knee. And inhale, lift the chest. Find that seated twist. Hand can be wherever is comfortable, just to help pull and twist in that upper thoracic spine, that upper body. Left hand is supporting behind you. Good, inhale back to the middle. Extend that left leg, right leg comes over. Right arm comes on the outside of the, left arm comes on the outside of the right leg. And right hand behind you. Inhale, lift the chest. Ooh, the clouds are coming. Inhale back to the middle. And exhale. Just take a nice seat, placing those hands behind you, opening the chest, kind of like you're at the beach. Just relaxing down here. Bring a broadening to that collarbone, to that upper chest. A little mini back bend. Good, and release, bring those legs back in. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, bring them down through the middle. Take one deep breath. Good. And we'll finish there. So that was a quick, tiring little upper body sequence, and I hope you enjoyed. I will see you tomorrow for day 5 of our 7-day spring challenge.